welcome to my boxing video. You may want to see this, but before we open it, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's start opening it.
What do you have? What are we opening?
We are opening a lot of Axolots at Gogo. So let's open it.
You need some help?
No. A lot of Axolots at Gogo.
Does it slide off? No?
Kind of gonna.
Do you need me to help?
I don't need help. As I'm opening a lot of Axolots at Gogo.
Here, let Mom give you a hand. Just a boost.
Yes, just a boost.
Oops. There it is.
Sorry, guys. Open it. Ew.
Do you need help?
Yes, you have to get this open.
Get your face out of the video, bud.
Why? Then I could do the rest, but I have to peel off.
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to give you the rest to peel off.
It's in this bowl. You got the packets. You got a little sticker. You got this. Let's see what's inside this poster.
So cute.
This is what the axolotl looks like. Next bag. Get its hat. And third and last bag. You could play with it. It's sand.
You got sand?
Yes.
Very cool.
But we gotta put it in the packet.
Okay, we'll do that in the package.
Yes. Because this is sand. And sand goes. So we're gonna put in the sand. This is sand. You got sand.
This is like kinetic sand.
Like kinetic
Put
sand.
it inside your ball.
Put it inside the bowl.
And which axolotl did you get?
I
Is there
got-
an instruction that says the types?
I have to tell.
Oh, she's so cute.
Okay. What if Axolots and all that? This is what it looks like.
Which one did you get?
I got where it stops.
You needed help?
I got that one.
Which one's that one called?
It's in French. It's
You could read French. You want me to read it for you? Let Mom see.
No.
Alrighty, so do you want to finish your video?
Like, no, we all finished, but you don't need to say like and subscribe.
Say peace out.
And goodbye. See you on the next videos.